Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me again today. It's your girl Dolly B. I'm going to be showing us how to make this simple fascinator using Ashoke. If you are new here, please subscribe, tap the bell button so you get notified when next I post a video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share so others can benefit. You know, sometimes I run out of ideas. Please let me know what you'd like me to do a video on next in the comment section. Alright friends, I'm using Ashoke. I have my measuring tape, thread, Alice band, a pair of scissors, needle, B7000 glue, a ready-made flower, pearls to decorate my fascinator. Now I'm using a line of Ashoke, I mean 1 hour of Ashoke, and it's about 70 inches long. Then I folded in both edges and I sew just like that. I start by forming a triangle, then I start pleating over the triangle, and I keep forming my pleats the same way. Just watch what I'm doing. With my needle and thread, I secure that part. I keep forming my pleats like that, like I am forming a fan or making a fan. And you will notice that it's forming like a circle. Start forming like a circle. So I continue like that. Please note that I didn't finish up the line or one line of Ashoke I started with. I actually trimmed off the excess when I was satisfied with the size I wanted. So approximately you need about 58 inches length of Ashoke for this design. As you can see, I do my final tacking. You may join the two edges together before starting your pleats if you choose to. It will still give you the same result, or you use the same method I'm using. In other words, just cut out your Ashoke using the length 58 to 60 inches if you want this exact size of fascinator I'm making. Join the two edges together if you want to, then you pleat. Now I want to attach my Alice band. I just cut out a small piece of fabric. I used the same Ashoke and I used that to secure or to tack my Alice band to my fascinator. Now I just attach my ready-made flower to my fascinator. I used my glue to do that. I glued some pearls to my fascinator and we are done. I'm on Instagram and Facebook at Dolly B Fashion and Crafts. My Facebook business page is Dolly B Creations. Please like my page. See you guys in my next video.